Russia, Alina Zagitova.
So we are down to the final two in the ladies free skate, and here is a skater who has just broken through on the senior level in a big way. 15-year-old Alina Zagitova from Russia. This time last year, she was winning the gold medal at the Junior Grand Prix final and the World Junior Championship. Gold and gold on the series this year.
Now, you won't see a jump from Alina for quite a while. She has backloaded her program and put all of her jumps into the second half to receive that 10% bonus. Just to build the suspense, Johnny.
It's extremely impressive. Some have argued that perhaps it isn't the best use of her program component scores because it's not a well-balanced, choreographed program, but everything she does is so distinctly on the music. She really becomes the red ballerina in this free program that you sort of forget that the program's unbalanced.
She is coached by a Tutberidze, who turned her away, by the way, the first time that she came to work with her. And she trains alongside the two-time world champ Evgenia Medvedeva, who is out because of a stress fracture in her foot. She hopes to be back in time for Pyeongchang.
And Terry, her coach, says that Alina idolizes Evgenia, the way that she practices. She tries to copy almost everything. And her coach, Terry, tries to sort of pit them against each other. She'll go to Alina and say, look how hard Evgenia's working, and then vice versa.
Is she the biggest threat to Medvedeva?
Yes.
At this point, definitely. She starts jumping here with the triple Lutz, triple loop, the most difficult combination any lady does. Beautiful. Small turnout, uncharacteristic on that double axel triple toe loop.
She missed this in the short program, the triple flip, double toe, double loop, just perfect now. Again, a slight step out, almost anticipating the landing. Watch how she times her landings to hit the crescendos in the music. Talk about a quick rise. She's blowing it away this season. In her first year as a senior, she's become Evgenia Medvedeva, who is the favorite going into South Korea, her biggest threat. That's a way to start off your season.
It's definitely a testament to Terry Tutberidze and her entire group. The Junior Grand Prix final happening the same week as the Senior Grand Prix final. 5 of the ladies are Russian. 4 of them train with the Terry Tutberidze. She definitely has a system, and Alina Zagitova is using that to her full advantage. And you could see that here at the triple Lutz, triple loop.
Such a beautiful takeoff. The edge jumps are very difficult. Hers are very controlled. Here's the double axel. She reaches back for the triple toe. Watch how she doesn't get the height and the landing. She anticipates too much.
Less than a point out of the lead after the short program, but well ahead of Sochkova, who has the lead right now in a season's best 223.3 for Alina Zagitova. Clearly, solidly into the lead.
Her total score is 223.3.
And that name just keeps getting solidified as one of the favorites for an Olympic gold medal.